welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I want to show you how to make this very cute lip gloss business logo. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open up a new PowerPoint presentation. So mine defaults to this. I'm going to get rid of that by highlighting and just hitting delete. Just click on Insert, Pictures, Online Pictures, and then in the search box, I'm going to type in pink lips and then hit enter. Okay, so here are the lips that I use. So I'm going to double click on this because I am using a PC. And now I'm going to resize them and then move it to the center. I think I can make it a little bigger. Okay, so now that I have my lips, now I'm going to make the lip gloss. So in order to do that, go to Insert, Pictures, Online Pictures, and type in lip gloss clip art. Okay, and here is the lip gloss that I chose in my sample. So I'm just double clicking to insert it. Now we need to resize it. So I'm going to go to the top right. You can do the top right or you can do the left. It doesn't matter. Whatever you guys choose. So I'm going to just resize it, and then I'm going to move it over. Then I'm going to use this little handle right here to turn it at an angle. Then I'm going to move it up a bit. Now, in some photos that you bring in from the search, you're going to have like this information right here. So all you have to do is just click on it and just hit delete. Okay, so now I have that. Actually, let me turn it more at an angle. Okay, so now we need to add our text. So to do that, go to Insert, Text Box, and just click anywhere below and then type in your business name. So for this business, I'm going to call it the Gloss Biz. Okay, so now I need to resize the font. I'm going to make it 125. Okay, and then we're just going to move it over. Try center it. So now with the text being underneath the lips, you're going to have to move your lip gloss over or kind of play around with things so that way it all fits. I want this right above the biz. So let me shrink this down a little bit more and maybe angle it a little bit more. Okay, perfect. So the Gloss Biz, now I'm going to change the color. So I'm just going to highlight it. And right here, I'm just going to choose on colors. And I'm going to, let's see, choose this color right here. And you guys, I'm not sure if you can tell, but in my sample, it does have like a little like shadow effect. So in order to create that effect, I'm going to just highlight it, right click, format shape, and then over here are my text options. So I'm going to click on text options, and then this middle one for text effects, shadow, and I want my shadow to be black. And I'm going to choose the inner shadow for inside top right. So that's what gave me that effect. So you guys, that is pretty much it. You have just created your lip gloss logo. So here it is with the white background, and then here it is with the black background. So in order to save this, to use it, you would need to select everything, right click, and hit save as picture. And when you hit Save as Picture, you'll have the option of choosing what file format you want to use. So if you want to do PNG, that will give you that clear, transparent background so that you can add your logo to any color background. Or you can save it as a JPEG or a PDF or whatever you guys choose to do. A PNG file is a file that has a transparent background, so that way you can put your logo on any color and you won't have this white background or this black background in the back. Now, if you want to save it as a JPEG, it would have this whole entire white area. This entire area right here would have the black background if you saved it as a JPEG. But if you just want to save it as a PNG, like I said, and just have a transparent background, then we'll go ahead and do that. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just go and select the entire image. Make sure you have everything. Make sure you see these boxes around every image that you inserted. And once you have that, just right click on your mouse. And then when the selections come up, you're going to choose Save as Picture. And then you're going to choose what folder you want to save it to. And make sure you give it a name. I'm going to give it the name of the actual logo, lip gloss logo. And then make sure you have PNG, portable network graphics format right here. And this will make it into a PNG file. And that way it will have that transparent background. Now, this is the same way that you actually do for a JPEG or any other file you want to save as. So if you want to do a GIF, you would select here. The JPEG, like I said earlier, you would choose this option. Here's the PNG option that we're going to choose. And then you have all these other files right here. Even in PowerPoint, you can actually save it as an SVG file. So if you have a cutting machine such as a Cameo Silhouette or a Cricut or any other type of cutting machine. So that way, if you want to create SVG files, you can do that in PowerPoint now. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and select the PNG right here. And then I'm going to hit Save. Now, let me show you how this actually is a PNG file now. So I'm going to go to Insert, Pictures, this device. So now here, as you can tell, it has no background. So actually, let me cut this and put it in a new slot right here. And let's make this background, let's just change the color, any color. Let's make it blue. So now I'm going to just paste that image. And there you go. See, there is no background at all. So no matter what you want to insert this in, it will have no background here, and you can keep that transparent background. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.